call it the bowler's reach. It looks like he's just down to the candlepin lane and just sent one flying, shattering the pins. Cool, cool. Let that knee flex and go over the big toe. And reach, really reach, really reach. Come on, reach, lean over. That's it, that's it. Good, and then come on back up. Oh, 250. Working hard. Oh, baby. That's it, and then drive through that foot. You okay? Yep. Cool, one more. Really working pronation, supination, unilateral loading. Okay, take a walk around and then check out what your right shoulder flexion is like. Watch the lights. There we go.
Way different.
Way different. Did we do a shoulder exercise? No. We just got proper loading connection going on, proper joint mechanics, and things start feeling a little bit better there. Cool. So, something to consider.